The villagers liked their hard work, but made fun of the way they fought. The old man tried a lot to bring about peace and friendship among them, but he failed. One day, the old man fell sick. He told his sons to stop fighting, but they wouldn't listen. So, he decided to teach them a lesson. He called and gave them a bundle of 10 sticks each. He asked them to separate each stick and break it into 2. The sons broke all the sticks quickly. The old man said,
"Dear sons, the task is not over."
He gave them another bundle of sticks. He told them to break the sticks in a bundle this time. The sons tried to break it, but they could not. They failed to complete the task. The old man explained that they could easily break the single sticks, but couldn't break the bundle. He told them that if they stayed together, no one could harm them. The sons learnt their lesson and promised their father that they would stay together and united in every situation.
Moral: united we stand, divided we fall. Unity is strength.